number of people participant. In Japanese, they use the unit of me to count for people or participant or name on the list. Let's see how to count. 1名、1名、2名、2名。When you say 1名, that means one people or one person. When you say 2名, that means two people or two persons or two participants or two people on the list name. This depend to the situation you are talking about and depend to the meaning of the sentence that you are using. 3名、3名、4名、4名、5名、5名、6名、6名、7名、7名、8名、8名、9名、9名、10名、10名。And when you want to make the question, you can say 何名、何名。Or you can say in the polite form 何名ですか、何名ですか, which means how many people. Now let's see some example of how to use the unit of me to count for people, participant, or name on the list. The first example. 会議に参加する人数は何名が必要ですか？会議に参加する人数は何名が必要ですか？ Which means, how many people do they need to join the meeting? How many people do they need to join the meeting? このグループから3名を選んでください。このグループから3名を選んでください。Which means, please choose 3 people from this group. Please choose 3 people